Unsure on my total right now because I had some stuff that I put on here that they didn't have, they're out of stock of. Plus I put in this order 2 days after Black Friday and they were still running a bunch of like Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. So I also threw in some Christmas presents on this order for the kids. They're obviously not on the table, so I'm going to subtract everything from my total and put my actual grocery total up here because I'm not sure what it is right now, but just it's actually pretty small for it being December. So let's just walk through. I got 2 things of vanilla yogurt. One is already opened because Cleo wanted some, but we've been doing these instead of the Go-Gurt pouches and I'm really liking these again. String cheese, I originally got 3 things of the 36 sticks. I just put these in the freezer, pull them out to kind of like refresh as we run out, but they had to substitute one with 24, which is fine. I only needed 3 because I still have one of these in my freezer left over from last month, which is great. I might end up just sending this 24 stick one to school for my son's snack. We have to provide snack once a month and this could be good for him. Lots of cream cheese. I have 8 blocks here. This is going to be mostly for cream cheese frosting, but I'm sure we'll find other ways to use this too this month. We don't use a lot of cream cheese regularly, but December is the month we go through a lot for caramel cream cheese frosting, and we are going to use these for gingerbread houses and cookies and cinnamon rolls, all the things. So lots of those. I did get a thing of paper plates. These are not going to be for when we're hosting Christmas. This is just going to be throughout the month for when the kids are decorating cookies or doing craft projects, winter break for lunches or breakfasts. These are a sandy saver for me throughout the month. So 100 paper plates just for us to use as a family for a handful of different things throughout the month. Of course, all of the bread. There are 9 loaves here. This is pretty much what we go through in a month. It's a little bit extra just because the kids are going to be home for break, and I know we're going to do extra sandwiches and toast and all those things. So I just got a couple extra. Same thing. You can put these in your freezer, pull them out as you need, and they're good to go. Bananas. I got 12. We will get more, but later in the month. I got all of my other fruit from Aldi this month, so that's all I needed. I did get 2 things of blueberry muffin mix. We haven't done these in a while. We ran out of our back stock, so this is just getting us ahead, easy breakfasts and things like that. I got 1 box of orzo. Our family's really been liking orzo lately, so I got another box for us. We're finding more and more recipes that we like to use this with. The kids are really liking that I have granola bars on the shelf more regularly now. I could make these myself. Maybe in the new year I'll start making granola bars, but the kids really like these. Things of sprinkles. These are just for obviously Christmas cookies, the gingerbread houses, things like that. I only got 2. Usually I'll get like 4 or 5, and I just feel like it's so much. So I got this little holiday sprinkles. I liked this one because it had a little bit of a variety. And then I got these little gingerbread man sprinkles. I thought they were very cute. So there's that for the month for the kids. We already opened this one. My kids really like to do like holiday sprinkles in their yogurt, so that's why this is open. Cleo's having a little bit of yogurt with very few sprinkles on top, and they love it. So there's that. We don't do a lot of like store-bought juices typically, but Sunny D this time of year is so good. So I got Tangy Original because that's what we really like, but this is just to have kind of throughout the cooler months, breakfast, things like that. The kids really like this. Me and my husband do too. We'll have a glass every once in a while. Honey Nut Cheerios for cereal. I did get a 2-pound thing of tater tots. I'm going to do a tater tot casserole this month, so that's what that is for. The kids' ramen backstock is getting a little low, so I got 1 thing of chicken, 1 thing of beef. I try to keep 2 of these packages on the storage shelf at all times just because they're so easy, and we don't have them all the time, but the kids like these for a lunch every once in a while. A little bit, we had a weird tummy thing going on where everyone's stomach was a little off, and we went through a lot of ramen because it was like the only thing that sounded good, so there's that. Thing of kettle corn. This is our favorite, our preferred popcorn. The kids will do these a lot, especially over winter break, with like a handful of M&Ms or something in it while we're watching movies or just hanging out, playing board games. My older girls are really into Scrabble right now, so we've been doing that, but there's that. This is just a couple items I got to for our Christmas meal plan. That video is, I think, going up tomorrow, but these are just some items for that. Usually I get plain just like crackers from Aldi, but I decided this time we should do these flip side minis. They're house seasoned, so one side's a pretzel, one side's a cracker. I thought these would be pretty fun, so I got 2 boxes of these, one for us to just have, and then the other one for our cheese cracker sausage plate for an appetizer for Christmas. I got some Sweet Baby Ray's. I do can barbecue sauce. I have a good amount of it on my storage shelf, but my father-in-law has a recipe for these little weenies. We put them in the crock pot with some Sweet Baby Ray's and some French dressing. Really, really good. So I just got some Sweet Baby Ray's for that. Obviously, we needed some crispy fried onions for our green bean casserole. I got 2 of these because usually I'll do like 1.5 of these because I make a really big green bean casserole. It's a favorite around here. 4 boxes total of the chicken stovetop stuffing mix. We will go through all of these for Christmas dinner because everybody really likes stuffing around here. These aren't for a Christmas dinner, but I like to keep these on hand because we like to do smothered pork chops with one of these onion packets in it. Really, really good. I did these a couple times last month and we didn't have them, so here we are. Now I will have them on my shelf. Berta, you can't just eat all the sprinkles. These are things that I got for myself. Let me know down below, does your Walmart now have all of your like cosmetic things locked up behind a case and now you need to ask somebody for help? It takes forever in my Walmart to find somebody to help you, and then even longer for them to get somebody with a set of keys to open the cases. So I'm just putting these on my Walmart order from now on. I needed some mascara, makeup remover wipes, and I'm trying this foundation. I've never used it before, but they didn't have what I normally use. So we're gonna give it a go and see how this works out. But that is the Walmart haul. Very small, way under budget, which is good because my Aldi haul went way over. So I'm hoping that it kind of evens itself out and we have enough to kind of get us through. We won't have to do a huge haul at the end of the month.